In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Klarna payment not going through in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching networks or turning airplane mode on and off to fix this problem. If that is not the case, you can also go ahead and verify your details. Make sure that your personal information, your billing address, and your phone number are up to date and correct. You need to also check available balance or credit limit and make sure you have enough available balance in order to go ahead and pay off. If that is not the case, you want to also ensure that the merchant who you are trying to purchase from should support Klarna. Not also all stores support Klarna for every payment method. You want to try a different payment method if one doesn't work, and you can check for app updates if that is not the case. You can also try restarting your application or check the decline reason or contact support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.